Count aloud to 30 while you point to each number. What patterns do you see or hear when you count to 30 using the numbers on the chart? Color the boxes that show a pattern you find.
Alrighty, guys. So it first wants us to count aloud to 30. All right, so if you'll point to each number, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take a breath. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good, guys. So what pattern do you see or did you hear when you counted to 30? So I want you to use a colored pencil or a crayon to shade in what pattern do you see. There are a lot of different patterns that you can see. So if you'll pause the video for a minute and give yourself time to find that pattern. The pattern that I see is actually going down. So if you look, so this is a row. Oh, I'm sorry, this is a column. So they're going down the columns. Columns. Do you see 666? This one has a 5 and a 5 and a 5. And all these numbers right here, it has a 5, but they're all in the ones place. And then this one right here has a 6 all in the ones place. And then this one right here has 7s all in the ones place. Let's go down here. Oh, all of these have a 2 in the ones place. Okay, and you can see it continues going. These have a 1 in the ones place. These have a 3 in the ones place. These numbers have a 4 in the ones place. These numbers have an 8 in the ones place. These numbers have a 9 in the ones place. And these numbers have a 0. A 0 in the ones place. How interesting. All right, so your pattern could have been very different than mine. You could have noticed that every time we move this way to the right, our numbers get larger. You could have said something about all the numbers in the tens place being the same on this row. So all the numbers in the tens place are 1s until we get to this. And then, or you could have said all of them on this row were the same until we get to the end. If you notice here on the end, what numbers are we counting by? 10, 20, 30. We're counting by tens. Okay, so there's a lot of different patterns that you could find, and all through topic 11, we're going to be looking for those kind of patterns. Good job, guys.